Meaning of falconry.
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 Falconry. Falconry is a form of hunting using trained birds of prey, typically falcons or hawks. The practice dates back thousands of years and is still utilized in some parts of the world today. In falconry, a bird is trained to hunt prey and return to its handler with the captured animal. The bird's natural instincts and abilities are honed through training and the use of specialized equipment like jesses and bells. Falconry requires patience, skill, and a deep understanding of the bird's behavior and needs. Ultimately, the result is a thrilling and unique form of hunting that offers a powerful connection between human and bird.